Hi. Good day, Mama, sir. Let me introduce myself. I'm Faustino, 45 years old. I'm married, but now separated since 2016. I have a kids, ages is 23, 20, and 14. I'm a Roman Catholic. I was working in Gulf countries since 2011, first in Kuwait. I was working in Kuwait from 2011 to 13. My boss is having a 7-member in the family. Include my boss, they're having 5 kids, ages is 21, 19, 14, 8, and 4 years old. My main duties is to take care of the baby going to school. After I prepare them going to school, I start my daily routine to clean upside down inside home, like cleaning, washing, cleaning the rooms, bathrooms, and else. And after that, I cook for lunch before the kids go back from school. I finished my contract for 2 years and a half. And after that, I worked in Dubai since 2014 to 16. I work and the family, 4 members in the family. Include my boss, they're having 2 kids. Ages is 4 years old and 2 months old. My main duties is to take care of the 2 months old babies. At the same time, I take care also the 4 years old going to school. My responsibility also inside the home is to cleaning the rooms upside down, 2 bathrooms and 2 rooms up, 1 room down, kitchen, living room, and kitchen. And I cook also for lunch. I finished my contract in Dubai for 2 years. And after that, next, I moved to Egypt. My boss in Dubai is staying in Egypt because the company is let him to move in Egypt for work. I also have contract there for 2 years. As well as the same work, I take care of the 2 babies going to school and prepare the food for my boss. I finished 2 years in Egypt and after next to Lebanon. I work in Lebanon, the same employer also as well. They moved to Lebanon for work. But suddenly, they moved to Switzerland and I cannot go with them. And he gave me to his sister. The sister is pregnant at that time. So I take care of the lady before the baby will come. So my main duties is to take care of the newly born baby. That's my main duties. But I have responsibility also inside home to clean. We're living in a small house, like an apartment. 2 bedroom up and 1 bedroom down for me. Cleaning, cooking. But my main duties is the baby, the newly born baby. And I finished also the contract in Lebanon. To my future employer, please choose me as a blessing for your family. I do the best that I can to make you satisfied and happy. Thank you and have a good day.